Number 1. 1976 GMC K15 Sierra, $4,900, New River, Arizona. This 1976 GMC K15 Sierra is a desirable square-body pickup, featuring a long bed and factory four-wheel drive. Power comes from a gasoline 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. Factory equipment includes air conditioning, a locking rear differential, and fuel tank skid plates. The truck remains largely original and still wears its factory paint, clearly showing its honest condition. It has not run since 2018, making it best suited for restoration or mechanical recommissioning. With a clean title and strong factory options, it is an appealing project for classic off-road truck enthusiasts. Number 2. 1987 Ford Ranger XLT $4,995, Hillsboro, Oregon. This restored 1987 Ford Ranger XLT reflects the growing collector interest in late 1980s compact pickups. It is powered by a gasoline 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Low recorded mileage, professional restoration work, custom paint, and a clean title make it a standout example. Its restored condition allows it to be driven and enjoyed rather than continually repaired, adding to its appeal. Number 3. 1988 Ford F-250 Lariat XLT, $7,400, Pacific, Washington. This 1988 Ford F-250 Lariat XLT is a well-preserved full-size pickup equipped with four-wheel drive and a gasoline 351 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine. An automatic transmission, 8-foot bed with liner, and dual fuel tanks reflect its heavy-duty purpose. The Lariat XLT trim adds comfort features, balancing utility with refinement. With a clean title and good overall condition, it remains both practical and increasingly collectible. Number 4. 1984 Chevrolet 4-wheel drive pickup, $7,995, Olympia, Washington. This 1984 Chevrolet 4-wheel drive pickup has received major mechanical upgrades, including a newly installed crate engine and new automatic transmission. It is equipped with large off-road tires, dual exhaust, and dual fuel tanks. Low drivetrain mileage, a clean title, and current Washington registration add value. While minor cosmetic work is needed, the solid frame and mechanical investment make it a strong foundation for a high-quality build. Number 5. 1987 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $9,000, San Diego, California. This 1987 Chevrolet S10 is a clean, lightly used compact pickup powered by a gasoline 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. With moderate mileage and a clean title, it has clearly been well cared for. Known for reliability and efficiency, the S10 represents an important chapter in Chevrolet truck history. The air conditioning requires attention, but overall condition remains strong. Number 6. 1972 Chevrolet C10, $95,500, Wichita, Kansas. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 is a second-generation pickup that has been owned by the same individual for over 10 years. It is powered by a gasoline 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. Numerous mechanical updates have been completed, improving reliability. While the engine is described as weak and the body shows some rust, it remains a solid example of a highly collectible body style. Number 7. 1962 Ford Falcon Ranchero, $3,500, Sonora, California. This 1962 Ford Falcon Ranchero combines passenger car comfort with light pickup utility. It is powered by a gasoline 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The body is reported to be very straight, and the engine starts, making it a viable project. Early Rancheros are increasingly appreciated for their unique design and rarity. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet Silverado K30 Crewcab, $10,000, Creede, Colorado. This 1978 Chevrolet K30 Silverado Crewcab is a heavy-duty four-wheel drive pickup powered by a gasoline 454 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. It features locking differentials front and rear and a robust transfer case. Crewcab K30 models are increasingly rare. While rust is present in typical areas, solid floors and included extra parts enhance its project value. Number 9. 1948 Ford F5, $5,000, Lakewood, Colorado. This 1948 Ford F5 is a medium-duty truck from the first generation of the Ford F-Series. It retains its original flathead 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission. The original red patina finish adds strong visual character, while the wood flatbed and split rims reflect its commercial heritage. Running condition and a clean title make it suitable for restoration or preservation. Number 10. 1973 Ford LN600, $800, Yuma, Arizona. This 1973 Ford LN600 is a medium-duty commercial truck powered by a gasoline small-block engine with a manual transmission. It includes a hydraulic dump bed, power steering, and several recently replaced maintenance components. While the braking system needs repair and the engine may require internal work, it does run and drive. With a clean Arizona title and low asking price, it is a practical project or utility candidate. Number 11. 1964 Ford F250 18-pit Silt, Colorado. This 1964 Ford F250 is a two-wheel drive pickup powered by a gasoline 292 cubic inch Y-block 8-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. Showing very low original mileage, it is described as clean and mechanically sound. Its originality and condition make it a standout example of this classic Ford generation. Number 12. 1948 Ford F1 pickup, $6,250, Yucca Valley, California. This 1948 Ford F1 pickup has been stored since 1990 and is offered with a clean California title and original license plates. It has been modified with a gasoline Oldsmobile 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Although it has not run in approximately 20 years, it rolls and steers well and includes documentation such as a build sheet and vehicle history report. It offers strong potential for restoration or customization. Number 13. 1952 Chevrolet 3100, $17,500, San Ramon, California. This 1952 Chevrolet 3100 is a second-owner truck powered by a gasoline 235 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and column shift. The engine head has been professionally rebuilt and the truck runs smoothly. It features a solid, rust-free body, clean paint, and a well-preserved interior. Highly collectible, this example stands out as a well-maintained and road-ready classic.